Here at ITMA Milan trade show, we return with our ROQ BAG automatic bagging machine. So the ROQ BAG is part of our packaging family. Most of you are only familiar with the ROQ FOLD, ROQ BAG, but I would like to spend some time to explain you a little bit about this unique solution prepared to work with pre-made bags closed by adhesive strip or by using tape. There is also an option to leave the bag open just in case you want to insert stickers inside at the end of the finishing process. The bag dimensions can be adjusted between the minimum sizes of 9 to 10 inches and the maximum sizes of 16 to 24 inches. Once pre-made, the bag shall respect the following cuts in these two corners in order to be compatible with the opening system. The ROQ BAG machine is a solution that can handle especially with t-shirts, polos, sweats, some long sleeves and pants. We don't recommend it for hoodies, just some small sizes. Depending on what we want to bag, the machine can reach until 500 pieces an hour, combined with the ROQ FOLD and a ROQ label P&A art. So the ROQ BAG could be the solution for the marketplace looking to serve retail fashion brands, or for those looking to pack in their own pre-made bags.